back to our channel. It's Queenie
and Kavya,
and today we're making mango salsa. Salsa is one of the most famous condiments across the nation. Let's see what you're gonna need.
a ripe mango like this one,
Some red onions, some red bell peppers, coriander, spring onion, and some jalapenos. So just cut them like this and scoop them out in a bowl.
smells really good.
Now I'm gonna add these ingredients. Some onion, red onion, coriander, red bell pepper, spring onions, and jalapenos. Okay, now we're gonna squeeze in some lemon. Mangoes are sweeter than tomatoes, so you would need more lemon in the mango salsa than you would in normal salsa. So make sure you squeeze in a lot of lemon. Now some salt. Okay, we're gonna stir it, and now if you want the best results, make sure you keep it in the fridge 30 minutes before serving it so that all the flavors sit in together. It's ready to sit in the fridge. That's our recipe. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to try our recipe and comment down below how it went. This looks delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye!